Okay, had some audio troubles. It's kind of the difficulty of being teacher, videographer, all in one. But I'm going to try and salvage some of this video from last night's class by doing voiceover. For the week, we're studying trapping, and here we're looking at a basic Pok Sao, Sot Sao drill. First, it's just instructing them on the process. Nucleus position, a Pok, and Sot. And the Pok is solely to get the opponent's arm to jiggle, and then filling that space by rotating your arm. And in the case of the drill, reaching out to touch the individual, your partner, and then blocking it with Wu Sao. In the course of them working on it, it became necessary to emphasize, for one thing, the Pok is not a push, not gum sao, not pressing it down to the ground, not creating a huge gap. So for a brief moment, I talk about the analogy I always use is when your mom baked a cake and you reached out for it and mom slapped your hand and her hand was right back up ready to slap you again. So part of it is to stick but not press, to not stick too tightly. The next part that was difficult that I had to emphasize, and I'm going to emphasize it here, is upon the movement, upon the Pok, and it doesn't have to be strong, just getting the opponent's arm to move just a little bit. You rotate your ulna under the radius. Your arm, when held with the bones aligned towards you, is thinner than when rolled over. The sole function of the Pok is just to get their arm to jiggle, and then you consume that space by rolling your arm. A spiral or circular motion. Gentle Pok and roll the arm to fill the space. Gentle Pok, roll the arm to fill the space. Gentle Pok, roll the arm to fill the space. It's easy to kind of check your alignment and see this happen. Since you're playing kind of 50-50 give-give, if you just go straight forward with your bones aligned vertically, you tend to line up with your opponent's shoulder. But when you roll your ulna under your radius and take up the space created by the jiggle, you get the center.